and they were gonna be paying me a pretty good grip just to do praise and worship.
All right.
And be an MD, and I was like,
Okay.
God was like, no. I want you to pastor. And so I just was in prayer and I was asking God, like, what do you want me to do?
Yeah.
And he said, I want you to help to revive the city. You're going to be one of the pivotal points that helps to revive the city. So that's where we came up with Revive City Church. And we also have a fellowship that's being formed right now as we speak called the Kingdom Alive Fellowship. And it's just 4 churches that sits in the 4 corners of that city. And we just do the good of the land just to change the energy of the land, change the attitude of the land. And we support one another. That's what we do. So,
speaking of this new fellowship and your new assignment and you being revived in your assignment like Jonah, what are some of the challenges you think you're facing right now?
the old ways of thinking.
Religion.
Yeah. But even with the unchurched, sometimes we run into people and they have to be like, oh, well, y'all not going to do this because they have always not done that. They don't do that here. They just do this. And so we have to actually really just bring in a new way of seeing things. And I was like, God, what am I going to do? Like, this is horrible. And he was like, no. I sent you here to do this.
For this cause came I.
The worst that you think it is, it would be worse for somebody else that was in your spot. Because I sent you to do this. So there's a duality there that sometimes you don't even see in yourself, but when God has sent you to do something. Like, and even with speaking, singing, coaching is probably about the most comfortable thing I do because it's one-on-one.
Okay.
But like, when it comes to like those type of things, I was always, fear was one of those things that just like, no, I'm not doing it. If you notice and you look at my social media or anything, you'll see I'm not
out front.
Yeah, you don't see
you're
a
not
lot
extroverted.
I'm not going live all the time and different stuff like that, which that's something I'm just gonna have to start doing. But the Spirit of the Lord spoke to me one day and he said, go with your fear. Like pack your fear up. Pack your fear up like a lunchbox and take it with you.
Just go with your fear.
Go with your fear.
That's good.
Because what'll happen is you'll begin to walk in that and you'll understand that the stuff that you feared was really nothing to fear at all. You see what I'm saying?
That's a good word, man. Yeah. That's a real good word.
So that's what I had to learn as I went along the way, is that God is waiting for us to make a move because he's finished something inside of us and it's our job to find out what that is and then get started. So it's major.
It's major.
It's major.
And every